Hey, this is Jitin, and today I'm going to do an honest review on a new launch called 4K in a day. So, this is a members area, and during this video, I will give you an overview, talk about the upsells and price, and I have amazing bonuses for you, which will definitely help you with this method. To get these bonuses, check out the description box, click on the links, and it will redirect you to the bonus page. Also, the first 30 buyers will get exclusive access to some premium level money making bonuses with a special bonus personal complete life case study. Okay, so you have to just click any of these buttons and it will redirect you to the sales page. On the sales page, you will get a video to see live proof of how effective this system or method is. By clicking this button, you can buy it. Then there are some snapshot by them that how much money they are making from this method. There are some reasons that why you should buy it and other stuffs. You can check them by yourself. Okay, so for the links, check the description box below. Without any delay, let's enter in the dashboard again. So what is 4K in a day? It is an affiliate hybrid method that can make anyone, no matter what their situation, up to $4,921 per day. This step-by-step training created with newbies in mind, so anyone can do this. Okay, so this is a huge claim. Now, welcome to 4K in a day members homepage. Please watch the welcome video to the left before you begin the course. So there are 15 modules in this method. So I hope after completing all of these modules, you will get step-by-step training that takes you by the hand and walks you through the system so you can begin generating commissions as quickly and easily as possible. Okay, so let's talk about one by one. Module number one. In this video, you will get an overview of everything covered in this course, that how to make money online. Module number 2, in this video they will show you how to build your home base blog. Module number 3, in this 15 minutes video they will show you how to create your products review with the help of WordPress. Also, there is special bonuses for you. Yes, I'm not going to disclose it, let it be a surprise for you. Okay, so basically you will learn how to create product review and money from your promotional links. Okay, module number 4 and module number 5 both are pretty important as both are related to the bonus pages. In module number 4 they will let you know how to create your bonus delivery page, and in module number 5 you will get to know that how to create bonus download page. Okay, so module number 6, in this video he will show you how to set up your autoresponder. So for those who don't know what is autoresponder, it is an effective email marketing tool which allows you to send a series of scheduled follow-up emails to your customers. Okay, so basically there are two most popular autoresponders in the market. Number one is GetResponse and number two is Aweber. Both are excellent tools for automation, but if you are looking for something free, then you can go for Aweber. So here he will discuss about autoresponder, and by this button you can visit Aweber. Okay, so module number 7, give the details about how to add emails to your autoresponders. Module number 8, this is a very small video, less than 4 minutes, but the important one I think. In this video he will show you how to create additional emails, convert to cash follow-up emails, 5 ways to create more emails, 27 different type of emails. I think this will definitely help you to create money converting emails to your customers. Okay, so module number 9, in this video they will show you how to create your opt-in page. Module number 10, it's a long video. In this 32 minutes video they will show you how to launch your own products to build your buyer lists. Then module number 11, how to get an army of super affiliates to promote your products. The video is looking very small, like just for a minute, but by clicking this orange button you will redirect to the page where you will get all the guidance and information that how to get super affiliates for you. Module number 12 and module number 13, you will learn how to drive traffic to your opt-in page by using solo ads and Bing ads respectively. Okay, both videos are very interesting and informative, And make sure to check my bonus in the description below. There you will get something that will actually explode these modules, especially these two modules, to the next level. Okay, module number 14. Here you will learn how to drive traffic using banner ads on niche blogs. There are few templates. You will learn how to design clickable banner ads, and also few solo mailing templates are here. Okay, so this is the last video, module number 15. This is the summary video of the method, and I hope after all these modules you are ready for the action, as you have a roadmap in front of you and many top marketers are earning money exactly by the same method. Okay, so that's all about the modules. Also, there are few bonuses provided by them which are absolutely free: automatic free traffic generator, autopilot list building systems, instant affiliate money system, easy cash system. If you want to know more about these bonuses, you can visit their sales page. They have described already. You can visit their sales page. Okay, so that's all about the 4K in a day method. Now I would like to talk about all the upgrades and offers and their prices. Okay, so number one, front end 4K in a day, it will cost $17. I think you should give it a try. Okay, as it comes with money back policy, so no risk for you. Upgrade number one, instant buyers list system, it will cost $37. This is an immediate 4K in a day never ending traffic tsunami in the form of an buyer list of 5,000 red hot leads. Okay, so definitely this is a must buy upgrade, as many of us spend time and money trying to build a profitable list and most of us fails. Okay, but you can have a profitable list right now by spending just $37. Also, you can get this OTO, or you can say upgrade, as downsell offer at just $27. Upgrade number two, 20 DFY campaigns. It will cost $47. If you are a newbie or you don't want to search on Google or spend time on Google, or if you are lazy, then these 20 completely done for you copy paste and super affiliate campaigns could be the one you are waiting for. Okay, then upgrade number three, product funnels access. It will cost $27. Downsell price is $17. This is exclusive affiliate access to two of Team Black Belt, Will Allen's most successful product funnels that are still making thousands of dollars in sales per week, and they are going to give you 100% affiliate commission across both funnels. Also, there are no limit to how much money you can make with it. Upgrade number four, ClickBank formula. It will cost $197. In this, you will get to know how to easily copy and paste your way to an additional $200 to $300 per day on a ClickBank, and down sale price is $67. Upgrade number five, 5K in a day. It will cost $47. With this OTO, or you can say upgrade, anyone can easily turn 4K in a day into 5K in a day. This is resell rights to the explosively profitable 4K in a day product funnel. Customers will get instant access to their own 100% commissions, a special link they can use to generate up to $1,000 per day in additional affiliate profits. Plus, you will get instant access to a secret, highly profitable traffic source that almost no one knows about. Okay, so this can be a great deal. So that's all about the price and upsells. I would recommend this method to any newbie who wants to make money online, or even someone who wants to have an extra stream of income, as it doesn't really take much to make money with this and it's super easy to do it. Obviously, you are not gonna get results in just few minutes, but once you know how it works, it will create bucks for you. Okay, also the method and upgrades looks promising, as they are come with a money back policy, so definitely it's a risk-free purchase for you. Also, the bonuses provided by me makes this deal a no-brainer. So obviously these bonuses are absolutely much more pricey than the actual product, but I believe in quality also and will give you the best as bonus. To get these bonuses, buy product from my link, or simply click on this button. Click here to secure your copy and bonuses. After purchasing, your bonuses will be delivered automatically. You will find them next to your purchased files in Warrior Plus customer area. Click on this access affiliate bonus and you will get your bonuses. If for some reasons you couldn't access the bonus, don't worry about it. you can simply email me. Okay, so check out the link in the description below, and thank you so much for your time. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and stay safe.